is no magic pill to help you stay young and healthy, but you can slow down the aging process just by, get this, drinking water.
A recent study from the National Institutes of Health found that drinking water can delay the aging process and protect your body from disease. So Dr. Dana Cohen is a New York City integrative and functional medical doctor and author of the book Quench. She joins us now to talk about the connection between water and aging. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so let's first begin. Can you explain this study and how does hydrating actually slow down the aging process and offset disease?
Well, our body is made of 60% water, and our cells need water to function properly. Our cells need water to detoxify. So, and I've been saying for years, hydration is the first step we need to take on before we do any diet in order to prevent and treat chronic disease. And the study is finally proving it. It's the first of its kind. It's really exciting. And it was a really big study, and people are talking about it all over.
Love it.
All right, let's talk numbers here. How much water should we be drinking every day?
Okay, so everybody's an individual, and I'm here to say that the 8 glasses a day is old news. It doesn't work. Everybody's different. If you twisted my arm and I had to give you a number, a better number is half your weight in ounces.
Okay.
That makes more sense.
Okay. All right, so what actually happens if you don't drink enough water on a daily basis?
So we all know, the regular things: headaches, constipation, dry skin, brain fog, and chronic fatigue. Those are all things. But now we know even bigger things. This low-grade dehydration can lead to things like diabetes and Alzheimer's disease. So it's a big deal.
Now, can you drink too much water? Can it be bad for your health if you actually ingest too much?
Absolutely, absolutely. And it scares me because there's this gallon, water challenge, drink a gallon of water a day. I see it every week, a few patients a week, that their blood levels are off because they're drinking so much water, and their electrolytes are off. So yes, it can be a problem. And when your electrolytes are off in your blood, that can have real consequences, like cardiac consequences, but even simpler things like leg cramps, those kind of things. But yes, we can absolutely drink too much water. You're flushing out those electrolytes and you're not getting those electrolytes back. You need to drink electrolytes, maybe an electrolyte mix or salt or something like that.
Okay, so you actually have 3 ways to help people hydrate properly. First, you say we should front load with water in the morning with just a squeeze of lemon and a pinch of salt. Why is that combination important?
So the lemon and salt, first of all, salt is not the salt that you put on your margarita or table salt, unless it's real salt, meaning like sea salt or pink salt. So that's the kind of salt that has the full spectrum of minerals. So it's a better way to get electrolytes and some vitamin C in your water and tastes good.
Okay, so then this next one, you say that people should chug a green smoothie every day. I know some people at home are thinking, does it have to be green?
Yeah, better to be green. Green equals vegetables. So what better way to get, to have the base of it be green, and then you could add some fruit for, flavor and sweetness. But if it's not green, then it's going to be probably too much fruit, meaning maybe too much sugar. So a green smoothie is absolutely the way to go.
Okay, so Dr. Cohen, finally, you suggest drinking a full glass of water before every meal. What exactly does that do?
So first, it's a great habit. It's a way of like making it a rule. You're getting more water in during your day. And then there's actually been research that show people who are dieting lose 5 extra pounds by drinking a glass of water before every meal.
Oh, all right. So bottom line,
you like those impacts.
Bottom line, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Dr. Cohen, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
All right, and for more information on the importance of hydration or to purchase her book, Quench, go to drdanacohen.com. You can also follow her on Twitter and Instagram.
All right, let's go ahead and send things over.